Amid continuing tensions in the West Philippine Sea, fishermen whose livelihoods have been disrupted received early Christmas assistance this holiday season. Mobile Journal Ivan Tarinque has the report.
Mga mangingisda sa West Philippine Sea na naapektuhan ng sigalot sa karagatan ay siyang natira ng pamasko ngayong holiday season. Among those affected by the dispute in the West Philippine Sea are fishermen Tatay Osman and Tatay Arnel from Subic. They have not been able to go out to sea for several months after their mother's ship, FB Moises, and its 6 smaller boats were damaged, leaving them worried about how they would celebrate Christmas. To help, the Makati Medical Center Foundation, in partnership with the MVP group of companies through Tulong Kapatid, distributed gifts and assistance to fishermen who have long been unable to fish.
Lalo kaming na-inspire para tumulong sa kung ano man na pwede natin magawa, lalong-lalo na hindi lang sa mga tropa pero also for the fisher folk.
The fishermen also received Noche Buena packages, so they no longer have to worry about their Christmas meal. Toys are likewise given to the children in the community. More importantly, their boats were repaired and fitted with newly rebuilt engines, making them more reliable and reducing the risk of breaking down at sea.
Dumating yung oras na talagang kasi yung makina ko kahit na mga sira-sira na, nilaot ko pa rin. Kaya nga dumating doon na talagang tumirik na.
Despite the gifts and Noche Buena packages they received, the fishermen here share just one Christmas wish, that the dispute in the West Philippine Sea will come to an end, and that they will be able to fish in their payao without being approached or harassed.
Yung sana, nagamigaw pala kapag nakapuhay kami sa pamalaot namin, kami gabalain para kahit paano, ano yung pamilya namin masuportahan.
Ngayong Pasko, wish ng mga mangingisda ay makapamalaot ng payapa sa karagatan ng bansa. Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Ivan Tarinque po hatid ang mukha ng balita.